Welcome back to another video. I know I didn't upload yesterday, but I really did not spend no time looking at the charts. We had high impact news, then like the war topic and shit. So like I was just being very cautious with anything that had to do with trading. I just really wanted to see how everything played out. We created all-time highs today as well. Like I didn't want to take no trades today. I took a demo trade, sent it to the Discord and everything, but I just pretty much advised everyone to like not take a trade. I ended up taking a dub, but I mean it was very choppy. Let me show you guys real quick. That's the TP ended up getting hit, but it took a fucking minute, bro. Like it took a minute. I was not interested in taking no trades today or yesterday. Just protecting my capital. Like I told you guys, I'm halfway there to getting this account passed. One thing that took my trading to the next level was being able to identify high probability setups. Like if there's high impact news, for example, like Powell speaking or Trump speaking, like you are not supposed to be in a trade. That shit can just go south or even just chop for the rest of the day. Like y'all seen it on yesterday on Tuesday, like price action that was crazy. I ended up having a setup overnight. I didn't take it, but I just had a trade idea, right? But with the chop, like it ended up playing out later throughout the session, but I was not interested in taking that. You need to work on your foundation. Like if you have a system that allows you to take a couple L's because you are only taking high probability trades, I mean, that's pretty much all you need, right? You really got to work on your fundamentals. You have to understand that there is days where there is no setup, no trade that has to be taken. Like I can't stress enough how many times I ended up regretting my decisions because I had promised myself like tomorrow we got specific news that are coming out at market whatever, like whatever time, and I would just gamble, right? I would just enter the trade because I wanted to take a trade. It was not about proving something to myself, but it was mainly just missing out on a potential green day, you know? And those are things that I learned along the journey, but it's gonna take you a couple L's, big L's, especially on those conditions. And I've seen all over fucking TikTok people be taking crazy trades during high impact news. Like that's just I don't know, that's just something you don't fucking do, you know? But what I really wanted to give you guys going along with what I was saying is you need to have a purpose. You need to have a reasoning why you're doing this. You need to have a strong why. The reason why I move very cautiously, I understand that I need to be patient, is because I am chasing something that isn't materialistic, right? I'm chasing growth. I'm chasing the opportunity to put myself in a good position with the money I can make in trading to bless those around me, right? First and foremost, my family, and my parents too. Like I really want to be there and support them. Like I was having a deep conversation with my father, I want to say on Saturday. I think it was Saturday. And we're just going back and forth because he works landscaping and that shit is very hard, especially out here. Like it's hot as fuck, bro. It's like 110 degrees since 10 a.m. And he was telling me like, you think I'm tired when I come out of work? He's like, nah, I view it as a workout because I love what I'm doing. And I've gone to work with him a couple times and he's just very passionate about what he does, right? And my mom too. Like just having these deeper conversations with them has shown me like where my mentality comes from. But I was just not, I don't know, I just never came to my senses until I had my son, and I was just, it clicked for me, you know? But yeah, having a reason, having a strong why will help you limit the mistakes, as well as like I want to be the coolest dad my son can have, you know? Like I want to be, yeah, don't get me wrong, like materialistic stuff, I do want my Corvette, like that's my dream car, like I do want that. I do want a big ass house, I'm going to have all those things, but that's not the most important thing for me. Like it's being able to provide and changed the narrative that my family, like, just changed the whole trajectory of my life and the life of those around me, right? I want to give my parents the things they never had. I want to give them support, you know, like I want to be there for them, because I noticed when I was growing up, like, they would shy away from many things because they never had that support. They were never told that they could do whatever they wanted to, you know. It was just always like, I don't know, like, when I had talks with my dad or my mom, they told me that they regretted many things that they couldn't accomplish due to their situation, my grandparents or whatever. Like, it was mainly that for them. So I want to be that support system for them, you know, and just allow them to accomplish their dreams, because I know they have dreams, bro. Just as I have dreams, I know that my parents have dreams. I know that my family members have dreams. I know that many people around me have dreams that they could never fulfill or even think about accomplishing because things just got in their way and they let life kick their ass, you know. And it's hard. Being the first one that is going to change everything really had, for me, it was kind of like a negative impact at first, because I was making these promises left and right, and I was telling everybody like, oh, this is what I'm going to do, this is the progress that I'm making. And like, slowly but surely, my understanding of the importance of time and having a strong why really gave me this sense of like peace, you know. Like, I'm more at ease with waiting for a setup. I'm more at ease with not taking a trade for a week or for 2 days, because I know that my time is coming soon, you know. And yeah, I mean, what I really just want to give you guys, I don't really want to bore you guys, and it's hot as fuck out here, but just give you guys an update on why I didn't take a trade these last 2 days is because market conditions have been crazy. And if you've been trading these last 2 days, bro, and you blew your fucking account, or you took some bad L's that you were not supposed to take, I'm just gonna tell you, it's part of the game, but next time, don't be doing that shit. I would tell myself these things, like, I just wanted to speed up the process. I felt like not trading one day was going to hurt my future, like it was going to set me back. But nah, bro, it really just gives you a more vivid picture of like what could have happened, and I'm better off missing out on potential profits than dealing with like the mental stress of like having to trade during the conditions that we've been presented with, you know. Like, trading in that chop, bro, I would have broke even so many times, and I've done that before. Like, I broke even like damn near 20-30 times, entering multiple times when I'm not supposed to. Like, don't get me wrong, I did have a winning trade on a demo account, but still, if you really are itching to take a trade, just fucking demo trade that shit. It's good to forward test on demo accounts. I don't really have anything against that, but when I first started, I was very against it, just because I was in a bad headspace, right? But if your why is bigger, if your fundamentals are set in stone, and you respect yourself, like if you tell yourself that you're not going to take a trade today, that you're going to take the day off. Like, it's hard for me to take a day off from trading, especially in my situation, bro. Like, you think I can afford not being in the charts right now? Like, nah. Like, I want to seek opportunity every day. But just as there's opportunity every day, you got to understand that losing is part of the game. So when there is more probability of me losing, just like today, like these market conditions, I'm not going to be in the fucking trade. That's just one thing I really wanted to share with you guys. Have a strong why, a strong reasoning, have your fundamentals in check, and just have a good attitude, you know. Tomorrow's a new day, it's a new opportunity. You can always redeem yourself from the previous day. But if you don't have clarity and, I wouldn't say, self-respect, you're really just gonna dig yourself in a deeper hole. With that being said, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. These couple days just been slow, and especially today, like, I wanted to record something for you guys, but I know, like, I don't really know, bro. I just don't want to be talking and not showing you guys results, right? But yeah, tomorrow's a new day. Let's see what the market brings. I think we do have high impact news, but it's nothing major, such as when Powell speaks or when Trump speaks, like we chilling, right? But yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.